G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today, I thought we might do a quick little tutorial on some makeup for a night out. Now tonight I'm going out to town, so I thought I'd show you guys the makeup that I'm going to do. The makeup that I'm doing is going to kind of coordinate with my outfit, but you can substitute colours where you want and all that sort of thing. So for the first time ever, I am going to actually start with my eye makeup first. Normally I'm the kind of person that just gets in and does whatever, basically, but I'm kind of going for subtlety here. I'm also want to go with not something that's too over the top, but still something that's going to stand out. So I've got my 122 color eyeshadow palette again, because I love this thing. I don't even know what brand it is. Coastal Scents is the brand, and the thing I love the most about this is I can detach the two things. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start and I'm gonna do this eye first, and I'm going to take this blue here because it's the closest I can get to the blue that's on my shirt. I'm wearing a black and blue lace top. So I'm going with this one, and I'm going to treat it like it's eyeliner, which I know sounds really weird, but it's just something that I do. So you're only very gently pressing this on. This is just to add a slight pop of colour to my eyes, but not so much that it's too over the top. So I'm just going over and smoothing it out a little bit, getting exactly the shape that I want. Go underneath the eye as well, just a little bit. And you kind of want to fade it off inwards a tad. We won't worry about these little bits that are under here because I'm going to be putting concealer underneath those. So it doesn't look too crash hot right now, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Alrighty, so that's the general gist of the blue that I'm going to be using for my eyes. Next I'm going to go in, same palette again, with my white that's up here, and just put it in the corner of my eyes on the inner eye to try and brighten them up just a little bit. I'm also going to go in with that same colour, and I'm just going to go up around this sort of area. I don't know the names of anything, I just go on the fly. Now normally at this point I would go in with my mascara and put my mascara on, but I have false eyelashes. Not false eyelashes, eyelash extensions, so I can't actually put mascara on. So, ooh, I know what I'm going to do. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm going to go get my micellar wipes. So I was meant to get these before I started because I forgot that I can use these to clean up the excess. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to blend those lines that are under there just a little bit more. Okay, so that is the general gist of the eyes. Nothing too spectacular, nothing too over the top. I will brush my lash extensions a little bit just to kind of get them to sit the way I want them to. Alrighty, so yeah, the eyes, nothing too over the top, just enough, because I'm also like to focus on my lips anyway. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Nude by Nature concealer. The colour is whatever the palest colour is that you can get. And I'm just going to use it to cover up the little spots that I've got going on around the place. And a little bit of the redness. Okay, so once you've got the pieces covered up that you want to cover up, now you go in and blend them. And I'm just going to do this with my finger because I currently cannot find my beauty blender. Good old Alexis, not knowing where stuff is once again. Alright, so now that the concealer is more or less blended out, I'm not actually going to be wearing liquid foundation today. I'm going to just be wearing my waterproof powder foundation by Maybelline New York. This foundation, I've used it many times. It is fantastic. And I'm going to be dabbing it on like so. Alright, so obviously you will have noticed that I've just found my beauty blender. It's not actually the one I normally use for foundation. It's the one I use for my bruise wheel stuff. But I've just gone over it, I wet it and everything like that, and I've gone over everything. The colour that you're seeing in the camera is not the same thing I'm seeing in the mirror, so to me this looks blended, but when I look in the camera it doesn't quite look blended. So I'm just going to do another quick little layer of eyeshadow for foundation for want of a better word, and then we're nearly finished. Alrighty, so I think I'm all set for foundation. I have double vision, so to me it looks like the lines under my eyes are a lot thicker than what they actually are, but they're not as thick as I think they are. They actually look quite nice. I might just quickly do a little bit of a touch up. This is just me being really pedantic. I want to look good, guys. I want to look pretty. Okay, and then just go back in with you. Alrighty, so that's basically my eyes. I think I would have preferred to have my eyebrows darker, but oh well. My hair's obviously not going to be like this either. So now I'm just going to go in with the lipstick. The lipstick I have chosen is a very nice color. It's one of my Revlon matte ones. This color is called Kisses. Fitting, seeing as it's lipstick, but yeah. So the good thing about these is it's like a lip gloss wand. It's the easiest stuff to apply, but still I need to concentrate. Alrighty, so I'm just going to quickly lean forward and double check the mirror to make sure that this is all in line and everything, because again, I can't really see properly, but what am I going to do about it? Okay, so I went in and I neatened it up a little bit more, but that's basically it for that look, guys. Tonight with the outfit that I'm wearing, I'm also wanting people to look at the outfit I'm wearing than look at the makeup on my face. So I just thought I'd do this makeup to kind of add a little bit extra to it, but not too much, sort of thing. Like I said, the blue's there just to kind of make the blue on my top pop, sort of thing. And yeah, that's about it. So that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. I have to go get ready to go out now.